Hi guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys our newly launched sublimation locket necklaces, and here they are. They are available in round and heart shapes, and each necklace comes with two pendants, one cover pendant and one photo pendant for sublimation printing, and you can choose from three lovely designs. This one has the engraved love. This one has the engraved family, and this one has the engraved little heart shape on the top. And then you can print your necklace with your family photo, couple photo, bestie photo, or the photo of someone you love to record that memory. And then you can keep it to yourself. It can be a very meaningful personal item, or you can give it to someone you love as a gift. They are the perfect gift choices for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, birthday, anniversary, graduation day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, just any big day. And they are the meaningful gift to show someone you love that you really cherish the memories and you really cherish the time you guys spent together. So next, I'm going to show you how to print memories on the locket necklaces. So please keep watching.